Let's get married. Baby, let's get married.
Hey guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. Today is Thursday and the time is about 12 in the afternoon, and yeah, so far I have been showing you guys, like, you know, my office setup and the things that I've been doing now that I'm self-employed. But I kind of wanted to check in and tell you what my day is kind of like. So I woke up this morning, me and Twinkie woke up. I got some coffee, took her out for a walk, listened to a sermon, and spent time with God. Then after that, I got myself freshened up, you know, got my hair together, put on a nice outfit that makes me happy. Today, I do not have makeup on. I just wasn't feeling like putting on makeup this morning, but you know, when I feel like it, I will. And then I sat here and listed out some things that I'd like to do in my planner. I'm telling you, like, without this planner, I am done for. Like, I need this planner in my life in order to be organized, because without it, I'm all over the place. My mind is like having so many files open all at once, and I need organization. So I've been using a planner for years now, and it has helped so much in keeping my life organized and staying on top of my goals, the things that I want to get done. It's helped me to be very productive throughout the day. So I listed out all the things that I want to do here, answered some emails, also sent an email to an organization that is new that also deals with our hair type, our locks. So I really want to collaborate with them. I sent them a little bit of a comment on Instagram, and they told me to email them. So I sent an email, listed out all of which, you know, that which I would offer them for this special event. And I'm just, you know, we'll see what happens. I am pretty much leaning on faith, leaning on God throughout this whole process. And yeah, you know, I have to get on my grind. I think I should start making it my business to send more of these emails to different people and businesses, because they require video and photography. A lot of them require pictures and images to put on their websites, because it matters. Customers look at pictures, they look at details, and a lot of these details have to do with how well the pictures are taken, and the video, and you know, the video marketing. All of these things really matter for small businesses and large businesses. So me being, you know, still in the freelance zone, I know that I still have more to learn, but I still am confident that I can service others with what I've got right now. And I'm not going to wait for the very, you know, I'm not going to be that person that only waits for the perfect moment, which will never really come, the perfect moment to finally get started on the things that I want to do. So that's what I'm doing right now. I sent out some emails and finished BROO's, you know, the thing I was working with BROO. I now have a video that is uploading, that is going to be uploaded in a few hours. Actually, it is 1:25. What? Where is time going? 1:25. And yeah, this video should be up by 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, I am getting things done. I'm very happy about what I'm doing. I feel productive. I feel like I'm doing something, you know what I'm saying? And I really want to go out and take pictures at this beautiful park that is near my house, near where BROO and I live. I really want to go out there and take some pictures. So we'll see what the weather is doing, because right now it looks a little cloudy, on the cloudy side, and I did see that it would rain, but I'm not exactly sure what time. But I do want to get something done today, you know, get some pictures out there to put into my portfolio, of course. So we might just go on a little we might go on a little trip out there, even if it's for an hour or two, just so that I can go ahead and get these pictures done. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm so excited and happy about what I'm doing, excited about the progress, exciting about the progress on this YouTube channel. Guys, you guys have been coming through. What is this saying? You guys have been coming through, okay? And I see the growth. I see where this thing could work out, where I am, you know, producing every day for you guys. Not every single day, you know, excluding maybe Saturdays and Sundays, or maybe just Saturdays, but I see how it's working out, and I'm excited. Yeah. So let me just kind of get what I'm doing to get, I still have to season the chicken before leaving, so that by the time Boo comes home, I can just kind of like have dinner ready and set. So yeah, guys, we'll see what's gonna go on for today, but you know, so far it's looking very promising, and I'm kind of getting my routine together and my mind somewhat together, but we'll see how things go. Okay, so back here I have a little bit of a vision board. Well, not really a vision board, kind of sort of a vision board. I'm not sure what you would call it, but I took these 2 pages out of a magazine, out of this magazine actually, because the letters actually inspire me for my business. I really like, this is called typography, the art of like letters and, you know, forming them. I like that style. I like the color scheme. It really shouts out my style, my particular funky, quirky style, and I really want to bring that into my business. So I'm thinking about doing something like this for the logo being the actual letters of the you know, my business. I don't know. I just know every time I look at this, I get inspired and I really want to use it. So that's why I put this here, so that, you know, I can get in the mode of that. I also want to go on this computer and start fixing up the website. But in order to do the website, I really and truly need good pictures and a portfolio built. So I really need to fix my mind on that. Yeah, and these magazines really help me to stay inspired. Just looking at the pictures, getting ideas on different shoots, different picture styles I can play around with. It really inspires me so much. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much my day so far this morning. Oh, let me show you outfit of the day, okay? It's not much of an outfit because I'm just staying, you know, it's for the indoors. When I go outside, I will be kind of changing because it's a little bit nippy outside. But outfit of the day is this beautiful top that makes me happy. It looks like a flower, and it's actually not the same color that is coming off on the screen. It's actually like a very nice lime green, lime yellowish green. And I like it. I got this from a flea market years ago. And I also got this from a flea market as well. These nice lace shorts. Yes. I got these lace shorts years ago. And I wear them in the summertime. But I thought I'd wear it indoors because I'm just inside right now. And I want to feel cute, but I also want to be comfortable. So I think I'm gonna just put on some pants when I go outside and like a sweater top to go take pictures. I want to be comfortable. I'll probably put on my Jesus sandals and go out there and get some pictures over at the park. So yeah, first I'm waiting on this YouTube video. I'm going to take a thumbnail picture and have that set up so that it goes up at 3 p.m. so that I can go out there and get my pictures taken and not have to sit around the computer and make sure everything is good. I'll have it all set. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling good. All right. But thank you guys for your comments and your encouragement on my last vlog. Guys, you are the real, you are the realest. All right. That's why I love you guys. You guys have so much to like say. I love your stories. I love your encouragement, your good words, kind words. Even when the words aren't so kind, I'm still grateful because it all helps to build in the process. So yeah, let me just get myself together and ready. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are outdoors at this local park. I should probably take this off. At this local park, me and Twinkie. And right now we're just looking at the sights. Like, look at this beautiful pond right across the street from us. You can't really see it, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful day for it to be rainy, supposedly rainy all day. But yeah, I'm walking the area, checking out the sights, and soon I'll whip out my camera and start taking pictures. But this is so beautiful and refreshing. I see some people over there by the water, like on the bench. I could see myself coming out here with a book or just to sit and be still. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the sights. And yeah. Twinkie. I had to put her in the bag because her little legs are starting to get tired. But if you're wondering why she's got this little cone thing, she recently had to get a little bit of surgery done, aka neutering. So for now she's got this on her head so that she doesn't go ahead and mess with the stitches in her belly or her uterus. Thank you guys for praying for her when I requested prayer for Twinkie. She is all good and strong. She's just ready to go home now. So we're gonna get ready to leave. All right, sweet boo boo? She seems like she cool. I love you so much. Oops. She loves this bag. By the way, yeah, she is in a bag. Let me get you. Ugh. She is in a bag, guys. An actual bag, but it's a pet bag. Her head is supposed to be out of this, but because this cone is so large, I mean, we could try it. Yeah, I think it will actually work. There we go, Twinkie. That makes much more sense. This is the bag. It has like arm straps and stuff so that I can travel around with her. And this is the perfect time to bring it because when I'm out shooting and I don't want to leave her home, I can keep her in the bag and she can, you know, enjoy the view, right? And I can still get work done. So it's like carrying a little baby. Of course she's not a baby, but she's my baby. All right, so I'm pretty much ready to leave. There is absolutely nobody in this park. Well, I mean, there are people, but it's just not as many as when me and Boo came. So I'm just gonna make my way back home. Plus Twinkie's getting a little tired and I'm not too familiar with this area. So we're just gonna make our way back home. But this is refreshing. Like, I would definitely come out here to jog and whatnot. It's such a beautiful, peaceful park. I love nature. Nature revives me. So this is like my element. All right, so we are, oh, you know what? Let's put it over here. All right, so we are back home. Thank God. Right, Tiki? Come here, baby. Come here. Say hi to the vlog. Here's my baby. We are back home, and whew, it feels good to be home. Outside is like kind of like a dreary day today. There's no sun. There's like little peaks of sun. It's a strange type of day, but it was still nice enough to go outside. So I'm so glad I got to go out because it just smells so nice out in that park with all the trees and the greenery. It just feels good. But honestly, I kind of felt a little like, you know, like looking over my shoulders, kind of like that New York mentality, like you always have to be up on your game, looking everywhere because you never know what creep is around you. When, I mean, there probably isn't a reason for me to act like that, but it's like that mentality came here with me, and I'm constantly looking around like, I'm watching you over there. I'm mindful of you and my surroundings because you just never know. And I guess because like I'm so used to being around a whole lot of people, buildings, houses, lots of movement, that when I went to the park today, it's like wide open spaces and I see people, but it's not like a bunch of people like when the first time that me and Boo went. So it was like kind of like, for me it was a little terrifying, even though I don't allow fear to run my life. So I still stayed out there enough to take some really cool pictures. I'm gonna check it out maybe tomorrow on my computer and see what kind of pictures I got out there. I really didn't take too much because I didn't want to stay out too long. I wanted to make sure Twinkie got back home and got her water and stuff. And for me, I guess it wasn't as exciting, I guess. So we'll see another day, right, Twinkie? Like, yeah, she had a good time. She met new people. She met some dogs. She always meets people out there and they're like, oh, she's so cute. And now that she's got this cone on her head, which is only gonna stay for like another week or two, people always like are stopping like, oh wow, did she get like did she have an injury? And I said, no, she got a surgery done. She basically got neutered. But one person actually understood what that was. But yeah, that's my day today. It's crazy. I was thinking as I came in here like, wow, okay, I looked at the time, it's 5 o'clock. You're so cute. It's 5 o'clock and the day pretty much went by and I'm like, wow, I thought that like staying home would actually give me more time to do stuff, and it's like the day speeds by so fast when I'm home. Like I have to really take advantage of every single moment that I need to, or like I'll see the whole day go past and I only did like one thing. So I also have to stop having such high standards for myself, but that's another thing, right? But anyway guys, I'm gonna get some dinner started for Boo when he comes back home. He'll have a nice meal and I'm getting kind of hungry too. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog of me still trying to get my life together. I'm in a new city, it's a new thing for me, and I'm just trying to adapt and be adaptable and enjoy where I am right now. So that was kind of like the reason why I went to the park today, to, you know, get a nice fresh look of my surroundings and enjoy and appreciate all that is around me at this very moment. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Stay tuned for many more. Subscribe so you can see more of my personality, my life, as well as my lock videos, and I'll see you guys soon. Later, bye. Boo-boo Twinkie. Boo-boo Twinkie.
Come on. Let's get married.